How to set up a PIN for your Chime virtual card. I'm going to tell you how to handle the PIN process for your Chime virtual card. Normally, Chime virtual cards don't need a PIN for online or contactless payments. But some situations, like certain gas stations or in-store terminals, may ask for one. To set it up, just call Chime's automated number at 844-244-6363. Once you're in, select option 3, then option 1 for debit card settings. You'll be asked to enter your 16-digit virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV. After that, the system will set you a 4-digit PIN. There's no need to speak with a live rep. This all happens through the automated voice system. Once set, your PIN is active immediately, so you can use your virtual card just like a physical one when needed. There's another option that works just as well. Call the same number, but this time after selecting option 3, press 4 instead of 1. That takes you to another IVR flow or automated system where you can also input your card details and set your PIN. Just make sure you have your virtual card info written down before your call because the system will ask for them all in one go.